Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zainab. These days, many of us kids want to watch fun and healthy things for our upbringing. We love to learn how the world works, how we grow, how a healthy family should be, and many more things to help us learn. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ali. Zainab and I are passionate about helping all the kids around the world learn about the true teachings and morals we all should have. Take a look at our first episode. Let's Have Fun is our show to keep you all entertained. We had the opportunity to be in Islamic Deed shows, displaying all the fun kids love to do. My brother Ali and I just love to have fun. We couldn't wait to show you everything we've been working on. Your mindful suggestions can help us put the content that you love your kids to watch. We welcome your ideas and opinions. There's so much more to watch on Islamic Deed for the grown-ups too. We love to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and love to educate and entertain everyone. We will produce and create many more cartoons for you, inshallah, with many joyful and fun things to do. There's audio Quran with simple English translation for people to understand. There's Quranic interpretation audio to help us learn what the Quran teaches and how to understand it. There's also Prophet and Imam narrations in action and much more. Remember us and all the other children in the world who want to safely watch kids' shows by subscribing and liking. With everyone's support, we will grow, inshallah. We are excited to share all our content and future shows with you. Oh no! You are our audience, and we want you to benefit and be happy. Can't wait to see you again. Fi amanillah.